Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing of the Row Agnes size 12. This is the first time I'm seeing this bag in person, and you all know I'm a big fan of the Row. I've got the Margot 12 over there. I've got it in the polished leather, and the Camden bag, which is up there. I'm going to sell that one soon because it just didn't work out for me. And I also have the large slouchy banana bag. So if you're new here, my name is Leslie and I'm a bagaholic. I review all kinds of bags ranging from Lululemon to Coach to Louis to Hermes. If you're interested in these types of videos, please consider subscribing. So I'm super excited about this unboxing. I went with the size 12 because I don't like them too big, but at the same time I don't want it too small. And I think 12 is kind of like the perfect size. I'm getting it in the nubuck leather, and the color is called Nuez, which also translates to walnut. And nubuck is basically a leather that's been sanded or buffed on the surface, and then it creates a soft velvety texture. So here we go. All right, read that later. Lots of paper. I'm just gonna toss it on the floor. Here she is. Okay, so the dust bag, I did hear that they changed the dust bag and it's not as soft and there's no logo on it anymore, and that seems to be very true from what I'm seeing. So they did change that. Right. Oh, wow. Okay. So it does feel really kind of velvety soft. It's almost reminds me of suede, but it doesn't have that delicacy of it, I guess. It's still somewhat structured, but it is velvety. It says the Row really tiny over here. Other than that, I don't see any branding. So it's double handles, they're rolled. And let me see if I can open this up. Okay, the zipper's pretty smooth. Not as smooth as my, not as smooth as my slouchy banana bag. I just touched the inside lining and it is like soft as a baby's butt. That's why I went, ooh. Take the stuffing out. So here's the inside. Don't know if you guys can see, but I will do a full review of this bag coming up, and I'll compare it to the Margot 12 over there, and I'll also compare it to the Empire 28, the Coach, because I feel like these are all kind of similar size, similar style, similar shape. And there you have it. The inside lining is just incredible. This actually may be nicer than the Margot 12 just because of the inside lining. So that is it for me. I'm going to enjoy this bag. I'm going to use it a little bit and I will come back with a full review. So thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.